Seal your first file, download your proof records, and start building a clear evidence trail for your creative work. Welcome to CreatorSeal. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create your account, verify your email address, complete your creator profile, and seal your first creative file. You will also learn how to download your receipt of provenance record and evidence bundle so you can preserve a clear record of what you created, when it existed, and which version was sealed. As you move through CreatorSeal, you may also see video cards that say, "Tap to watch video." These videos provide deeper explanations about CreatorSeal, proof records, evidence bundles, file structure, and how to protect your creative process before sharing your work. Go to the CreatorSeal homepage. Scroll down until you see the Protect Your Work section. You can click the video in this section if you want a quick overview of how CreatorSeal works before sealing your first file. You can start sealing a file from different places on the CreatorSeal website. Click any Seal a File button, including the button in the top right header or any of the gold seal buttons throughout the pages. For this tutorial, click Seal My First Draft Free to begin sealing your first file. If you are a new user, CreatorSeal will take you to the Create Account page. If you already have an account, you can sign in from this page or from the header. After signing in, you can continue sealing files, view your dashboard, and manage your account information. Now we will continue with setup for new users. You are now on the Create Account page. Click the plus sign or Continue button to move to the next step in the account setup process. Click the Email field. Type the email address you want to use for your CreatorSeal account. Click the Password field. Create a secure password using at least 8 characters. Click the Confirm Password field. Re-enter the same password to confirm it. Click Get Started to create your CreatorSeal account. CreatorSeal will now send a confirmation email to the email address you entered. Go to your email inbox. Open the email from CreatorSeal with the subject line asking you to confirm your sign-up. Inside the email, click Confirm Email. This verifies your email address and activates your CreatorSeal account. After confirming your email, you'll be redirected back to the CreatorSeal application. You can now continue setting up your creator profile. This should be the name you use in an official capacity, such as for contracts, legal records, court records, or formal disputes. Type your legal name into the field. Use the name that would identify the owner or authorized creator of the content in an official setting. This name will appear on your CreatorSeal receipt of provenance record and evidence bundle, tying that name to the sealed file. Avoid using a nickname, casual name, artist name, or unofficial name in this field. Using any name other than your legal or official business name could potentially cause identity problems later if a question, dispute, or ownership issue arises. Click the Country/Jurisdiction drop-down menu. Your jurisdiction is the country, state, province, or legal region most closely connected to you, your business entity, or the ownership of the work being sealed. This helps identify the official legal context connected to your CreatorSeal account and proof records. Select your jurisdiction from the drop-down list. Choose the jurisdiction that best matches the legal name or business entity you entered in the previous step. For example, if you are sealing work under your personal legal name, select the jurisdiction where you are legally based. If you are sealing work under a company, studio, or business entity, select the jurisdiction connected to that entity. This helps keep your receipt of provenance record and evidence bundle aligned with the official identity connected to the sealed file. Click your name or studio name. This is the public-facing name you want associated with your creator profile. Type your name, studio name, or public creator name. This can be different from your legal name. Click artist name or pen name, etc. Use this field if you create under a creative alias, artist name, pen name, stage name, or brand name. Click company or studio if applicable. Use this field if you create through a company, studio, production group, agency, or business entity. Type your company or studio name if this applies to you. If it does not apply, you may leave this field blank. Click the Creator Type field. Choose the option that best describes you, such as individual creator, business studio, or educator researcher. Click Complete Setup. Your CreatorSeal account setup is now complete and you are ready to seal your first file. Click the Project Type field. Choose the category that best describes the work you are sealing. For example, this could be album artwork, client branding, a manuscript, a script, a music beat, a lesson plan, a design file, a contract, or another type of creative or professional file. Enter a clear name for the project, file, or creative work you are sealing. This can be a one-time file, such as a final contract, signed agreement, completed artwork, final PDF, or finished deliverable. It can also be the beginning of an ongoing project. For example, you might seal Chapter 1 of a book, Draft 1 of a script, the first version of a logo, an early music beat, a client concept, a course outline, or any creative milestone you want to preserve. The goal is simple. Name the file in a way that will make sense later when you look back at your evidence trail. Click the Draft Description field. Use this section to explain what this sealed file represents. You can describe it as a one-off final file, such as final signed contract or completed client delivery. Or, if this is part of a larger project, you can describe the stage of the work, such as Draft 1, Chapter 3 outline, first beat concept, logo revision 2, script treatment, or client branding milestone. Each time you seal an important version, draft, revision, or milestone, you create another point in your CreatorSeal evidence trail. Type a short description of the file you are sealing. Include details that will help you understand the purpose of this version later. For example, you might write, initial draft of Chapter 1 before sending to editor. Final contract before emailing to client. Draft 2 with revised dialogue and new ending. First version of music beat before collaboration. Logo concept before presenting to startup client. You do not need to write a long explanation. Just include enough detail to identify what this file is and why you sealed it. Click the drop zone area to continue. This is where you will select the file you want to seal. Your file does not need to be uploaded for CreatorSeal to create the cryptographic fingerprint. The cryptographic fingerprint is created in your browser, helping you preserve a record of the file version you selected. The sealing process now begins. CreatorSeal analyzes the file and creates a cryptographic fingerprint for that specific version of the file. This helps document that exact file version at the time it was sealed. Click the File Structure video link if you want to learn how to organize your CreatorSeal downloads. This video explains a recommended way to store your sealed files, working files, receipt records, and evidence bundles. Click Download Receipt. This downloads your receipt of provenance record. Save this file in a safe location with your project record. Click Download Full Evidence Bundle. This downloads the complete evidence bundle for your sealed file. The evidence bundle contains the technical proof materials connected to the file version you sealed. Click Understand Your Proof Record. This section explains what your proof record means and how the CreatorSeal sealing information helps document your file. Click Continue to Completion. This finalizes the sealing flow for your file. Click Go to Dashboard. The dashboard is where you can view your sealed projects, sealed files, and account activity. On your dashboard, review your sealed files. Click the File Details area to see more information about the file you sealed. Click Seal and Protect a File. You can use this option whenever you want to seal another file. For example, if you made changes to the first file you sealed, you can seal the updated version as a new draft or revision. This new seal can become Draft 2, Version 2, Revision 1, or whatever naming system you prefer. This is how you begin building a stronger evidence trail over time. Click the Project Category field. Choose the category that best matches the new file you are sealing. Select or confirm the project type. Use the same project category if this new file is connected to the original project or choose a different category if this is a separate file. Use the same project category if this new file is connected to the original project, or choose a different category if this is a separate file. Enter the name of the new file or version. Use a clear name that helps distinguish this file from the earlier sealed version. For example, you might use Blue Skies Draft 2, Logo Revision 1, Beat Version 2, or Final Contract Signed. Click the Version Type field. Identify whether this file is a new original seal, an update, a revision, or a later version connected to something you already sealed. If this file is related to a previous seal, selecting the correct version type helps connect the new seal to the earlier record. Click the search field labeled Search by Seal ID, File Name, or Project. A list of your previously sealed files will appear. Use this search field to find the original file or earlier version that this new seal is connected to. Select the sealed file that this new version is related to. For example, if your original file was Blue Skies V1 working copy.txt, select that file. This connects the new seal to the earlier seal and helps build your evidence trail from one version to the next. Click the Draft Description field. This is where you explain what changed in this new version. Enter the version details for this new seal. For example, you can type Draft 2, Revision 1, Final Version, Updated Client Version, or any description that makes sense for your project. You can also briefly describe what changed, such as revised dialogue, new ending, updated artwork, edited contract language, new beat arrangement, or client-requested changes. Click Drop File here or click here to select File. Choose the updated file you want to seal. CreatorSeal now begins creating the cryptographic fingerprint for this new file version. This seal documents the updated version separately from the original file. Click Download Receipt. Save the new receipt of provenance record for this latest sealed version. Click Download Full Evidence Bundle. Save the evidence bundle for the new sealed file. Keep this bundle with your project record so you can preserve the full documentation for this version. Click Dashboard in the header to return to your main account overview. Click Expand Details. This allows you to view more information about your sealed file, including the file record and related sealing details. Click the Additional Options area. From here, you can review available actions for your sealed file, manage your records, and continue building your CreatorSeal evidence trail as your project develops. You have successfully created a CreatorSeal account, verified your email, completed your creator profile, and sealed your creative work. You also learned how to download your receipt of provenance record and evidence bundle, view your sealed files in the dashboard, and seal additional drafts, revisions, milestones, or one-time final files. Use CreatorSeal as part of your proof discipline. Seal important versions before sharing, preserve your creation history, and keep your evidence trail organized. Thanks for watching.